Welcome to SharePlant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your pre-configured products in your owner dashboard. Pre-configured products are created by SharePlant for common items, such as a JCB3CX, and common types of dumpers. These comprehensive listings can be used to quickly create your hire shop, saving time by only needing to add inventory and pricing. Please keep in mind that to use this feature, you must have the exact product that has been pre-configured. To begin, navigate to Products and then select Pre-configured Products. Choose which of the products you would like to use. Now click on the plus button to begin the inventory. You will be taken to the initial setup page. This is where you will decide if the product is for rent or sale. Once you have selected, you can continue to fill in the details required. This box here is for any additional information that you can leave for your buyers. This additional information is shown on the website in your product description. The product may have variant options. Here, in the inventory, you can decide which options you would like. Once you have completed all the details, you can click Save Changes. The product will now be listed as your own. You can now view your product on the website. You have now completed your pre-configured product setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.